Okay, this is 9 by 9 Sudoku challenge for February 16, and it's 4 out of 5 difficulty, 4 minutes here. So we'll see if I can do it in 20 minutes. It's something I can try. So let's start here. Okay, anything I can see real quick. I'm just trying to see 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Is there like a naked digit somewhere I can enter? Anything? No, don't see it. 8, no. 9. Yeah, I see this is 9. Okay, I entered one digit. That's something, I suppose. Okay, let me just go to pencil marks real quick because I don't know what's happening here. So, okay, so 2 is in these two cells, okay. 2 is in these two cells, okay. 3, so 3 is on the corners here. I will mark it like this. And 8, I mean, I do see 8 is kind of part of the same pattern, but oh, okay, this is also 8 I didn't see before. This is 8, and this is 8, and this is 8, and this is 8. So suddenly we do know quite a bit about 8, and we also know 8s are vertical. 8, 8. Okay, let me just come back to 1 real quick. So 1, yeah, so we know this is 1, it's vertical. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and 1, 1, like this, okay. Okay, now let's see something else about 2. So 2 we know isn't 3, no, sorry, 2 we know is flat over here, right? So this cannot be 2, this cell has to be 2. That's good. Okay, and we also know 2's are vertical in this box. So 2, 2, so this cell cannot be 2. This cell is 2. Okay, and 2 down here, I guess it's in these 3 cells. Probably a little bit too much information, but 4. Let's see, so we know 2 4s. Okay, I don't want to enter. I guess over here I will enter in 3 cells like this. Okay, and it's only 2 cells in this box. Okay. Now 5 is in 2 cells, right? And then in the middle it's in 2 cells, right? Like this. 6 is flat in this box. So 6, 6. So in this box it is flat like this, right? Like this. Okay, here it's just like 4. So let's enter that. 4, 6, 4, 6. So there's no room for 5 here. 5 can only be here. So this cell has to be 5. This cell has to be 1. Okay, so now we know 1 can only be like this over here. Okay, 5, does this 5 give us much? I mean, it just puts 5s in 3 cells, it doesn't really give much. Okay, but what is happening in this column? We need 3, 3, and we need 7. Okay, 7 can only go here. This has to be 7, so this is actually 3. Okay, so don't know what this 7 gives us. This 3 actually means this is 3. Okay, this is 3, this is 1. So 3's are vertical like this. 3, 3. 3 is also in these 2 cells over here. 3, 3. This one over here, well, it's, puts 1s in 3 cells. Okay. Again, don't know how useful that is. So in this row, or let's say in this box, well, 6 in this row actually can only go here. This has to be 6. Okay, so this is definitely 6, and this is 4. So these cannot be 4s. Only this cell can be 4. Only this cell can be 3. So this has to be 9. Okay. And, well, 9s are in 2 cells over here, like this. 9, 9. Okay, the matching pair here is 4, 7, 4, 7. I don't quite know what it means, and let me just enter here the other digits we need in this box. 6. So 6, 6, 6, and then we need 7. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Okay, so 9 up here. It's in 3 cells. Okay, let's enter 3 cells. Okay. Oh, but actually over here 9 can only be in this cell now, right? This has to be 9. Okay, so this cell cannot be 9. Okay. Now 1 is flat here. So 1s can only be like this over here, right? Okay. Let's see, I think 4. Yeah, 4 is like this. This is 4. Has to be 4. Okay, so 4s can only be in 2 cells in this box. Okay. And see, 2 is vertical. So this cell cannot be 2. Yeah, only this can be 2. This is 2. Okay. And something else about 4. Yep, this is also 4. This is 4, and this is 4. So this cell cannot be 4. Only this cell can be 4. Therefore, this is 7, this is 4. Okay, so let's see what next. So 7 is flat, right? 7, 7, like this. So that means 7 is flat in this box like this, okay? And do we know all the 4s? Yeah, we know all the 4s, okay. Now, what is happening in this box? So 3 we know, okay. 6, do we know how 6 goes? Yeah, 6 in this box is flat. It's like this, 1, 6, 1, 6, it's flat. Okay, and so that means 6 is vertical here. I don't quite know that, okay. We don't really know 6 is on the left, okay. Okay, but this cell right here, let me just check. So this cannot be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, this has to be 3. This is just 3. So this cannot be 3. That's the triple in this row. Okay, does this 3, what does this give us? So I guess 3 can be here, here, and here, 3 cells. And this cell can be 2 or 6. Okay. And then in this column we need 1, 5, and 6. This cannot be 6, but it can be 1, right? 1, 5, 1, 6. That's the triple. In this column we need 6, 7, 6, 7, matching pair. Okay. And over here we need 1, 7, and 9. So this cannot be 9, but it can be 1, 7. Okay, yeah, so in this column 9 can only be in this cell. This has to be 9. Okay, this is 9. So looking across, okay, so 9s are in 2 cells, like this. Okay. So let me just complete this box. So we need, yeah, I don't know why I didn't enter 1 here before, but yeah, 1 can be here, I think, right? 3 cannot be here. Okay. What about 5? So 5. So we don't really know about 5, right? So 5. Well, this is a matching pair. 3, 5, 3, 5. This can be 5. This can be 5. This can be 5. Okay. I think that's the complete arrangement in this box. Okay, fine. And let's just enter. I guess these 2 digits. So this can be 1, right? It cannot be 2, 3, 4. It can be 5. Yeah, it cannot be 6. It cannot be 7. It cannot be 8 or 9. This is 1 or 5 only. Okay. 1 or 5 only. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. And this cell right here cannot be 1, 2. It can be 3. Cannot be 4. Can be 5 again. Cannot be 6, 7. It can be 8. Obviously cannot be 9. So this is 3, 5, 8. Okay. That's interesting. And so let me just enter these 2 cells, I guess. So this cell in particular cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be 5. Cannot be 6, 7, 8, or 9. Oh, okay, this is a naked 5. This is a naked 5. So this actually is 1. So now we know this cannot be 1. This is actually has to be 7, right? This is 1. Okay, this is 6. This is 7. This is 6. This is 5. This is 1. So let's get rid of this 1. 1 can only be here. Okay. And this is not 5. Okay. Can this be 3? Yeah, I think this cell can be 3 to complete the matching pair in this row. Okay, so what's happening here? Let's get rid of 5 over here. This cannot be 5. Okay. So it's 3, 8, 3, 8. Okay. So let me just see. So in this, so I'm just checking this cell. So this cannot be 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be 6. I really don't know much about 6, right? I think it can be 6. Right, what about this cell? So it cannot be 1, 2, but I think it can be 3 as well. Cannot be 4 or 5, can be 6 as well. Cannot be 8 or 9, okay. So 1, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Just for completeness, this cell right here, so it cannot be 2, it can be 3 again, 6 again. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, now 7 up here is only 2 cells, right? 7 in this box can only be in 2 cells. Okay, in this particular cell, actually, wait a minute. So in this column, 1 can only be here in this column. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, so this cannot be 1. Okay, so that was the last one. Okay, 6, 7, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so let's see. So in this column, we need 3, 6, and 7. So this cannot be 3. This cannot be 3. Only this cell can be 3 in this column. It has to be 3. So this actually has to be 5. Okay, so this is 8, and this is 3. Okay, so this is 3. Let's get rid of this 3. Let's get rid of this 3. Okay, so this is 6 and this is 5. Okay, so this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, and this of course is not 3, this is 6, 7. Okay, so 6, 9, 6, 9. So what do we need in this row? So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 can only go here in this row. This has to be 5. Okay, so this has to be 6. And this is 9. So let's get rid of this 9. This has to be 7. So let's get rid of this 7. Okay. Okay, 7. And this of course has to be 6. This is 7 and this is 8. Okay. Okay. Now I guess this was not too bad.